Introducing Meiosis, the revolutionary product that can bring genetic variation and a smile to your face. Without fertilization, we can't have meiosis. Fertilization is a process of combining genes in a male sperm containing sister chromatids and the genes in a woman also containing sister chromatids. Now the cells have changed from diploid to haploid. Now that that's over, we can finally begin the first phase of meiosis, interphase. Interphase is when cells carry out multiple processes. G1, the cell increases mass by producing more cytoplasm. In G0, the cell is in idle, not preparing to divide. In synthesis, DNA is replicated or created, and in G2, the cell continues to grow in order to be large enough to start meiosis, as well as including the replication of DNA and synthesis of proteins. Boom! The next step is prophase 1. Prophase 1 is when synapsis occurs and the chiasmata, or the exchanging of part of a chromosome, can happen between homologous chromosomes. Right after that, metaphase 1 occurs. The tetrads line up at the center of the chromosome and the spindle fibers attach to the centromere of the homologous chromosomes. Can you guess what phase is next? That is completely incorrect. It's anaphase 1. In anaphase 1, the chromatids are pulled apart at the centromere by the spindle fibers and move towards opposite poles. Boom! The last one. Get it? Okay, never mind. Telophase 1 is when the cytoplasm divides and two new cells form using cytokinesis. Each new cell has one duplicated chromosome from each similar pair. But wait, there's more. Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 is basically mitosis, so we don't have to cover it. Besides, it's not in our budget. Just kidding. Meiosis 2, or regular mitosis, is the basic steps of interphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In meiosis, they are also known as interphase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. What you might not know is that there isn't actually an interphase before this. The unfortunate part about meiosis is something can go wrong, causing your child to have a disorder. Today we are going to examine Klinefelter's syndrome, discovered by an American rheumatologist, Harry Klinefelter, and you know it's a real thing because it was discovered by an American. Americans are always right, right? Right! Klinefelter's syndrome is also known as XXY syndrome, meaning the male has two X chromosomes and one Y chromosome. Remember, this only relates to the sex cells, nothing to do with the autosomes. Anyways, it causes very slow sexual development / puberty, leading to small testes, decreased facial hair, and even breast tissue development. Klinefelter syndrome just develops randomly during the duplication of a sperm or egg cell. It's pretty rare, like 1 in 750 newborns. There you have it, meiosis. That's all, folks.